Hey everyone, and welcome back to Hello AI. If you're someone who is learning machine learning, working on a cool project, or just curious about data science, then you already know how important good data sets are. Without the right data, even the best model won't perform well. But here is the problem. Finding clean, reliable, and free data sets online can be confusing. There are just so many websites, and it's hard to know which ones are actually useful. So in this video, I'll walk you through 5 amazing places where you can find free data sets for all kind of projects. So whether you're working on NLP, image classification, regression problems, or just want to practice. I'll also show how to browse these sites, search for data sets, and download them easily. These are websites that I personally use and recommend. They cover everything from beginner friendly data sets to large scale data used in real world research. So let's get started with the first one. The first one is Kaggle. So Kaggle is known for data science competitions, but it also has a huge collection of free data sets. You can find data sets on almost every topic, from predicting house prices to analyzing customer reviews to classifying images. And the good thing is that most data sets have a short description, a sample code, and a common section where people share tips and do discussions. So to download a dataset, you need to just log in and click the download button. It also has a built-in notebook feature so you can explore the data online without needing to set anything up on your computer. Interesting, right? Okay, moving on to the next source, which is Hugging Face datasets. This is especially useful if you're working on NLP or natural language processing. It has hundreds of data set for tasks like sentiment analysis, text classification, question answering, and more. And what makes this special is that their data sets are already formatted for easy use with Python. So you don't have to clean the data much. You can just load it with a few lines of code. And if you're using transformers or building AI chatbot, this is one of the best places to look. So yeah, this was for the Hugging Face datasets. Moving on to the Google data search, it works just like Google. So instead of websites, it search for datasets across the internet. So it will find out datasets across all like Kaggle and all the government websites, etc. So throughout the internet, and you can type in any topic like COVID-19 cases, loan default data, and it will show you data sets from government portals, research papers, and public repositories, as you can see. And this is very helpful also when you're looking for specific or rare data that may not be on usual platforms. So that also makes it a really good tool to use when you are working on your data science project. Just remember that when the results come from different websites, so the format and download process may vary depending on where the data set is hosted. So you need to look into that as well. Yeah. Moving on to the fourth one, which is a UI machine learning repository. So this site has been around for a long time and often used in university courses and research papers, and it contains many well-known data sets, if you know, like iris flower data set, wine quality, and breast cancer data. So these data sets are usually small and clean, and they are great for learning and trying out new algorithms. So you can download them as simple text or CSV files. So if you're learning machine learning and want to test your models quickly, this is a great place to start. The last one is Awesome Public Datasets List. It's on GitHub. It's a big collection of links to dataset from many fields like agriculture, healthcare, sports, finance, astronomy, and even social media. It's not a website where you can download directly, but more of a directory like that points you to a useful source. It's a good place to explore if you're looking for something very specific or if you want to discover unique project ideas. And since it's on GitHub, it's also regularly updated by contributors from around the world. So yeah, so these were the 5 data sets that you can use for almost any project that you're working on, whether it's for learning, competition, or a real world problem. All of them are free to use. So if you found this useful, feel free to like this video and subscribe to Hello AI for simple guides and machine learning and AI projects. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.